This short video is going to introduce you to Content Collection. Content Collection is a data storage service offered to you free of charge through the University of South Florida. And basically it allows you to store your files for use in any of your classes or for whatever you need it for. And it allows you to manage permissions down to the individual level on your files. So some of the files that you're going to create for this course are going to be too large for you to upload directly to Google Sites. And so it's going to require that you upload them elsewhere. And Content Collection is a good place for you to do that. Plus you can manage who gets to see these files and have a large amount of control over that. So I'm going to show you how to access Content Collection, how to manage the permissions on your files, and then how to access the link and then copy that link to then put on your Google site or wherever else you want to put that link. So first, from your my.usf homepage, you can access Content Collection through the top link. It's the third tab. And so when you select Content Collection, you're most likely going to be brought to your own personal Content Collection page, your user page. Mine is SE Hayes, yours will be whatever your net ID is. But in the event that you're not, you can access it by clicking My Content, and then you'll have the users, and if you just click the plus sign next to that, then you'll be able to access your personal net ID user space. And then you'll be given an available quota of some number of megabytes. I'm not sure exactly what the typical student quota is. And then what you'll want to do is create a folder system. I create mine similar to how I do it on my own personal computer by class. And so I already have an EME2040 folder created. And you can create one too by clicking Create Folder and following the prompts. It's just like creating one on your personal computer. And once you've done that, just open the EME2040 folder. And then you're ready to upload your file. So once you've created your media file, then you can select Upload File, choose File, and then you can navigate to the folder on your computer where the file exists, and then go and find the file that you're looking for. And since I've already uploaded my podcast example, I'm going to upload this other file that I've created and select Choose and then Submit. And this is probably going to take a minute to upload. But once I upload it, you're going to see that the default setting is to permit only you to view this file. So you're going to have to override the settings in order for your classmates and for me to be able to view the file. So that's going to be the next step that we do, is going to be setting the permissions so that other people can also view this file. So this is just going to take 1 minute. So you can see now that my Digo video has uploaded to my Content Collection, but it is not shared with anybody, and you know because, first of all, the hand looks like a stop sign, and when I hover over it, a big Not Shared tab comes up. So I need to fix that. And how do I share it with other people? Well, I come over and there's a little chevron next to the file. And when I click that chevron, it selects the file and then gives me a series of choices. And if I scroll down to where it says Permissions, I get a new screen of options. And the easiest way for the purposes of this course is just to select Users by Place, and then I can select Users by the course. And what I'm going to get is a list of courses that I can choose from. So I just want to go down and choose my course, the course that you're currently enrolled in, and then it will select all of the members from that course and give permission for those members to view it. You want to select all course users, and then you want to set the type of permission that you want to give them. And you have the option to give them permission to read, write, remove, and manage the file, but for this you only want to give them permission to read the file, to view it. So once you make those selections, click Submit. And now you can see that in addition to me, who can read, write, remove, and manage the file, now everybody in my course can also read the file. Now if I go back to my file, if I select this file, it'll open it up in my browser, and it's currently loading. And if I pause it, because I don't want it to play, I can select the URL from the top, and this is the direct URL to the file, and I can copy it, and then I can go and paste it anywhere on the web that I want, and it'll pull up this file, and I can direct my users to it. And as long as they have permission, as long as I've given them permission, then they'll be able to view the file. And so that's really all there is to it. If you have any further questions, then you can give me or your instructor a call or send us an email. And that's about it.